Adam is 9 years old. He attends a special school. He has a diagnosis of autism, moderate intellectual disability and ADHD. He requires 24-hour supervision. Unfortunately, our school are not in a position to give Adam a place in the summer programme this year, despite all of the great incentives that the government have put in place. It's unfair for children with special education needs not to be in a position to avail of the summer programme. All children with special education needs should be given the opportunity to avail of the summer programme in their own schools. Adam needs the structure and routine of getting the bus and going to his school every day. It's going to be a very long summer for a lot of people this year whose families are not in a position to avail of the summer programme.